In this lecture, we will discuss how to import data into SAP Analytics Cloud. So, for the sake of simplicity, we will import data from our CSV file or any Excel file. So, let's move on. So, as you are seeing that in my screen, there are two options available in the modeler. So, I also share that where is the option of modeler is available in SAC. You will go to the menu, vertical menu obviously, and then you will click on the modeler. So when I will click modeler, I will have this main options of modeler. That's welcome to modeler. In this option we have models, public dimension tables, conversions, and point of interest. The remaining tabs of modeler we will discuss in other lecture. Right now we will explore how to import data into SAP Analytics Cloud model and how we can create a model. So let's create a model by clicking on the create new option. Model here I can say that there are two options available. You can have data, you can build your model by using the this option live data model, and you can also create a model. So there are two types of options are available. These some of the, as we have discussed in other lecture, that some of the data required the live data like sales and other critical models. So we will create the live data model for the sales module and other module. So most of all, the model create as an import model. So the data will not be updated live, will not available live data in that model. So we have to schedule import automatically. We will also discuss this in this lecture. So let's create our model, and we will model is asking for a start with empty model. So I will go with the start with data. You can build your model by SAP Fieldglass, SAP HANA, SAP S4 HANA, SuccessFactors, and so on. So right now, for the sake of simplicity, I am selecting the Google Drive. So my CSV file is locating on my Google Drive, so I will select the Google Drive. So now it's asking for choose Google Drive file from. So either we want to have my file from the Google account, or I have the URL of Google Sheet. So whatever the easiest way for you, you can select at your own. I'm selecting Google account, and then I will go to the Google account and drop down list. And now if I have already created my connection with the Google account, so the it will automatically present in the list. So right now I have no connection of Google account, so I will click on the. Here it is. Now it's asking for choosing the account. I select my Google account, and now it's asking for more authorization. Let's click on the continue, and now it's automatically named my Google account name, and also it's also automatically filled the description. So I will click on the create. Here it is, the connection Shakir Ali has been created. Now you can see the Shakir Ali is present in the drop down list, as I have said earlier. And now we have to move on. I click. So we will select the file which we want to get data from it. So I will type here SALES sales. So here it is. Now it's showing all the options which are available in my drive. So I will select my file sales pizza pk2 and then click on the next button. Now it's asking that use first row as column header. Yes, obviously I know that my first row of the CSV file has the columns heading. So I will click on the next button. Now my data is going to be imported into SAP Analytics Cloud, and it will prepare and will show if will show any issue if exists. So if any issue exists, it will show automatically. So here it is. Now you can see that the integer and the decimal columns automatically move into the measure section, and the rest of the columns are now categorized as a dimension. So it's very useful. It's very easy to use, that it's automatically realize that what column should be in the measure and what should be in the dimension. Or if you still want that some of the if you still want some changes, and if you want to not add any column into your model, so you can also remove by using this option delete. Also you can change the data type. Also you can change to convert to dimension. Also you can make a copy of that column and use it in any other dimension or any other direction. So same as it is, we can also delete our dimension. We can also convert our dimension to the measure if required. So also if you want to convert any dimension to the measure, so some restriction and some rule will be applied. So I have my data here. If I want to use this model for the planning also, so if I want to use my model as a planning, so I will click on the planning capabilities option. Right now my model is a type of analytic. So if I want to change my model, it will not change, because the model is I don't have rights for of planning. So right now I can only use this model as an analytics. So this model is going to be an analytic model. So let's move on. Let's save our, we have checked all the columns, and we have explored that these columns the measure also be intended, be categorized. So one more thing, if you want to add some calculated column, like if you want to have a column which have the 10% more of sales, and if you want to apply some other calculation depending on the user requirement, we have to move to the switch to calculation management.